Hi friends. Nature provides almost all of our daily needs in life. Dew moistens and provides water for both plants and animals. Plants provide food and beautifies the world around us. There are hundreds of plant varieties. Some resemble animals. They look so real and amazing. Plants not only beautify the world and provide food, they also have healing properties. We can always appreciate the power and the beauty of nature. It reflects God's love and grace for human life. It tells of God's beauty and creative power and glory. There is always a wonder of wonders seen in every bud and a message of hope. Nothing is hidden in nature that cannot reveal God's amazing love for human. Every little creeping insect has a message to tell the world about God's creative power. From the biggest to the tiniest creature, there is always a message relayed. And you just couldn't miss it. Even the designs on plants tell of God's incredible and powerful supremacy. The beauty that is seen in plants is the beauty of God's everlasting promise and love. Nature displays God's eternal glory. We may have all the world, and nature has it all for us. It is amazingly beautiful that God's perfect creation stands as a wonder of it all. Behind every green and colorful plant is God's eternal love. Water has a flat surface but stands still in an oval shape. That is a real wonder. It is nature that provides shelter and protection for every creature. Life seems to be intertwined with its surrounding environment. A bunch of banana trees will face downward but will face upward when ready. Breadfruit trees and pomegranate trees add wealth and energy to keep life going. Plants look beautiful and colorful in their stages of growth and development. Human life benefits every day from nature. Nature is part of human beings, and we can hardly separate. Food and wealth are added to the table in everyday life. Human skills and experience bring better comfort and happiness. It is always a joy to see the fruit of your labor. Only those who love nature and use their abilities and skills can face challenges in life. This is mouth-watering, and you could hardly avoid. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more.